VQ Research technology will enable low-cost, rapid prototyping, printing of functional parts in any form factor, and production of high-end custom parts at scale, all of which are currently unavailable to the passive components industry.
Ceramic capacitors are made of a material that is notoriously difficult to 3D print. We have solved that problem. We have 6 patents granted and 2 in progress. Our patents let us increase performance without increasing materials use and raise the maximum voltage for more energy storage. That will revolutionize electronics the way integrated circuits did for transistors.
VQ Research has a world-class team, served as a subcontractor in a DARPA project, and competed against over 1,000 global startups in an international startup competition where we won first place in the manufacturing category and second place overall. The company has core technology that is applicable to many industries and a global market of greater than $45 billion. VQ Research is focused on the space and satellite industry as a first priority due to its demand for custom-made, highly reliable capacitors at very high prices. Over the longer term, we believe VQ Research will lead the way in new passive component products for a broad range of industries, including high-performance computing hardware, smartphones, electric vehicles, medical device, general electronics, military applications, among others.